Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring precisely so the garment works. Take chest, waist, hip, and limb measurements in centimeters and write them down. Those numbers determine fit and compression distribution. Once done, decide the compression class you need, 15-20, 20-30, or higher, because medical versus athletic uses require different pressure. Make sure to verify brand sizing charts against your numbers and note return windows. This avoids poor fit and wasted time when you place an order. You now narrow vendors and models so you get the correct honey compression outfit. Start with licensed medical suppliers for certified compression, then compare boutique and mainstream options for style and fabric. Read specs closely: fabric blend, graduated compression mapping, seam placement, and zipper or hook closures matter for comfort and durability. Once you pick a model, confirm the sizing policy and return terms. This makes sure you can swap sizes if fit differs. Also check shipping timelines to align with your needs. You complete the process by ordering and performing a careful fit check when the outfit arrives. Put it on over thin undergarments, move through typical motions, and assess comfort, breathability, and even pressure across key zones. Once satisfied, follow wear and care instructions to preserve compression. If you feel pinching, numbness, or uneven pressure, stop using it. Make sure to exchange or request custom alteration, and consult a certified fitter or clinician for adjustments or medical advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.